Yung question po na galing sa section namin, yung pag special occasions lang po, do we have the right to be homosexual? Ano lang po, para sa ilang tao po. Yun po yung tanong na yun po. Remember, this one's outside. You have similar question. Yun po yun.
You want that answered now. Does anyone have an answer to the question? Yes.
Isa lang ang question.
Okay.
But that's one question. Later, ipo-process pa natin. Okay. Diba po? Okay. You can have more if you like. How many did you list? 10. Number 2. Sa babong galing sa section ko,
Lahat galing yun dito.
do we have the right to love or to be loved?
Ano si Carlo?
Any answer to that question? Do you have the right to love and to be loved? Okay.
Oo, dali.
Who wants to answer that question? Anyone? Okay. That boy will see you, Sam.
Ano? Kasi po, di ba, sinasabi ng iba na, wala po tinutukoy, sinasabi po ng ibang teacher na wala kang karapatan sumagot. Do we have the right to speak or state our reasons to our beloved teachers? What? Speak or state your side to our beloved teachers. Speak out. Speak out. Express yourself to your teacher. Any answer to that question?